Hi everyone, welcome back to an Audio Exam Watch YouTube channel. First of all, thanks for watching this video. In this video, I want to tell about the raw marks based cutoff analysis which is belongs to Eastern Railway Kolkata Board. Recently, Railway Recruitment Board conducted the 2019 notification railway exams. Okay, after completion of exams, after completion of Group D exams, which is belongs to Eastern Railway, every zone completed. Okay, all the zones which are belongs to Group D exam completed. After completion of Group D exams, every candidate will look for the cutoff. Okay, my analysis is based on raw marks only. My analysis is based on raw marks only. First of all, look at for the 2018 notification cutoff marks. Okay, unreserved category, SC category, ST category, and OBC category. Okay, according to 2019 notification, 18 notification, there is a cutoff marks here. Unreserved category 80.57 marks, OBC category 71.77 marks, SC category 71.77 marks, and ST category 71.60 marks. Okay, the cutoff marks are very high because according to in that 2018 notification there are 2367 posts only, less number of posts, so cutoff increases. If posts were if the vacancies or posts are increased, cutoff will be decreased. Next, in the 2018 notification there is only 2367 posts only, but in 2019 notification 10,873 posts are there. There are vacancies. There are 10,873 vacancies are there which were belongs to. These are vacancies are belongs to Eastern Railway Kolkata. Okay, and my analysis is based on raw marks only. Raw marks only. Okay, look at here. Next, in 2019 notification, unreserved category vacancies are 4,926 and OBC vacancies are 2,619 and SC category vacancies are 1,461 posts and EWS 1087 vacancies and ST category 775. Next, ex-serviceman 2175 posts and CCA candidates, apprentice candidates got 2175 vacancies and PWBD, physically handicapped, got 519 vacancies. Okay, there are total in the 2019 notification there are 10,873 vacancies are there, and in the 2019 notification unreserved category, which means general category 4,926 vacancies, OBC 2,619 vacancies, and SC category 1,461 vacancies, and EWS got 1,087 vacancies, and ST category 775 vacancies. Ex-serviceman, CCA, and PWB candidates. And after completion of the exams, response sheets will be released. Response sheets also released. Next, there is a chance of 1:3 will be called. If there is one post, 3 candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test. Physical efficiency test. And the main concept here, there is no PET. There is no PET for CCA candidates and PWBD candidates. Okay, there is no PET for apprenticeship candidates and physically handicapped persons. Okay, and if there is one post, 3 candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test, which means ground. Okay, next, it means there is a chance of 14,778 candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test which were belongs to general category and OBC. 7,857 candidates, eligible candidates, which one belongs to OBC for PET. Next, physical efficiency test. SC category 4,383 candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test, and EWS candidates 3,261 candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test, and ST category 2,325 candidates, ex-servicemen into 3, 15, 1, 2, 6,625 candidates, ex-servicemen candidates eligible for the PET. And the main concept here, there is no PET. There is no PET for CCA candidates and PWB candidates. And if there is one post, 3 candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test. Okay, and while we comparing with the 2018 notification with the 2019 notification, there is a chance of decreasing cutoff in 2019 notification. Okay, the main reason here, in 2018 notification there are 2,677 vacancies are there, but so 2,367 vacancies are there, so cutoff increases, okay, in 2018 notification. But now at present 10,873 vacancies are there. So in that notification, attendance percentage, look at that, there is a 50% attendance. Okay, so the main concept here, there is a lot of chances to the candidate who got low raw marks, he will get a chance to eligible for the physical efficiency test. Okay, now look at here, according to my analysis, which is based on raw marks only. Okay, 2019 notification, total 10,873 vacancies are there. There is no PET, there is no physical efficiency test for CCA candidates and physical handicapped person. So 10,873 subtract 2764, it means 8109 vacancies are there. These vacancies and the candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test. One post is equal to 3 person will be called for the physical efficiency test. So 24,327 candidates eligible for PET. Okay, 24,327 candidates will be eligible for PET candidates. So for 24,327 candidates will be called for the physical efficiency test, and there is no PET for CCA candidate and PWBD candidates. They will be directed to the medical exams and these candidates enter into the medical. Okay, so in that, after my analysis, there is a chance to, according to 2019 notification, belongs to Eastern Railway, Kolkata board. My analysis is based on raw marks only. Okay, if the person belongs to unreserved category, if he got a 58 raw marks, he will be eligible for physical efficiency test according to 2019 notification at present. Okay, if the candidate belongs to OBC, if he got 55 raw marks, belongs to Eastern Railway, he will be eligible for PET. Next, SC category 48 raw marks, ST category 44 marks, and EWS 52 marks. If the candidate belongs to EW, economically weaker sections, if he got 52 raw marks, he will be eligible for physical efficiency test. And if the candidate belongs to ST category, if he got 44 marks, he will be eligible for physical efficiency test. And if the candidate belongs to SC category, if he got 48 raw marks, he will be eligible for physical efficiency test. If the candidate belongs to OBC, other backward classes, if he got 55 raw marks, he will be eligible for physical efficiency test. Okay? If the candidate belongs to general category, if he got 58 raw marks, he will be eligible for physical efficiency test. My analysis is based on only raw marks only. There will be a decreasing or increasing in the cutoff marks. Okay, so my concept is if the candidate got low raw marks, practice well. Okay, going to ground and he will be eligible for physical efficiency test. Okay, don't lose your hope. Okay, thank you. And my analysis, this is my analysis. My analysis is based on raw marks only. My analysis is based on raw marks only. I hope everyone will understand my lecture. Okay, first of all, thank you one and all. For more updates, please follow an ID Exam Watch YouTube channel. Thank you one and all.